Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Earnest student loan refinancing. Earnest student loan refinancing helps borrowers consolidate and refinance their student loans to potentially lower their monthly payments and interest rates. It's targeted at individuals with existing student loan debt looking for better repayment terms. Key features include the ability to compare rates from different lenders and potentially lower interest rates depending on your credit score. Their website provides details on eligibility requirements and the application process. Earnest's website is straightforward and easy to navigate. They clearly lay out their pricing, highlighting the lack of hidden fees and prepayment penalties. The application process itself was relatively smooth. They emphasize a streamlined, online-only experience. You can check your eligibility and receive a personalized rate quote without affecting your credit score. While they don't have the widest network of lenders compared to some competitors, their focus on transparency and clear communication was a significant advantage for me. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Earnest. Getting started was easy. I simply filled out a short online form providing basic information about my loans and financial situation. The whole process took maybe 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found all the information I needed without any trouble. I particularly appreciated the detailed rate quotes provided, broken down clearly to show how different loan terms affected my monthly payment. The whole process from application to final approval took about 3 weeks, slightly longer than expected, but they kept me updated throughout. I had a quick question about my loan documents and their support team responded within 2 days via email. I was really impressed by how quickly they processed my application once all my documents were submitted. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Everything had to be done through their website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. Earnest helped me significantly lower my monthly payments and consolidate my loans into a single, manageable payment. While it took a little longer than I anticipated, the reduction in my interest rate and monthly payment more than made up for it. That's my overview of Earnest student loan refinancing. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.